This is Chuck LaCourie, and I work for the Credit Solutions Group with Infogroup. First, I wanted to thank you for taking the time to watch this video and really to cover how to use the top section of the business credit report. So as you notice here at the top, once you come up with the report that you're looking for, it will show you the company name. This is going to be the DBA up here. Underneath that, you're also going to see the legal name. A lot of times the DBA and the legal name are exactly the same, but sometimes you are going to see a variance in there. You'll also see the address, city, state, zip, phone number. A lot of our clients use this information to verify what they get on a credit application from their customer. Does the information match? If it doesn't, maybe that raises some questions with the customer to say, look, this is what we were able to find on your business. Is this information where you're now located? Is the other information maybe a billing address? So it may, again, just help you make a better decision there. On the right-hand side of the company name, you'll see the Credit.net verified seal. This is going to tell you what level of record that is. And we've got a few different levels. You can see verified records, which means it's gone through all of our quality checks. You'll see pre-verified, where we know it's a business, but it hasn't been able to go through all of the steps that we take to verify a record. You can see a suspect record. Typically means that there's a red flag revolving around that business. And lastly, you have out of business. These are companies that are no longer in business at that particular location. So it kind of lets you know, are you looking at the highest level or the lowest level? On the right-hand side, you have the ability to email a report. If I click on this, I can just pop up and type in the email that I want to send this to. And I can also put any comments in here. Here is the report on Excel solutions for your review. And then I could send that email off. I can also send this to multiple email addresses. So if I want to plug in another email, I can send that as well. I also have the ability to print this off as a PDF. And lastly, I can save this as a PDF. It's going to save it to my dashboard. So when I go in and use my dashboard, I can basically go look at the report, what it looked like when I actually saved this. So a lot of clients will go back and do quarterly or semi-annual credit checks on their current customers because information changes. So you can access this right in your dashboard, which you can link to. Anything on our site that's green, you can link directly to.